Hello, Internet. This video is part of the Jeep project playlist on Scott's Garage, where I basically have done a complete frame-off restoration of my 1946 Willys CJ2a. Now, this video, it's been a long time since I've posted a video on the Jeep project. Lots happened, life happens. Daughter got married, we bought my parents' house, we remodeled the house, and just been spread very thin, but things are calming down. And in this video, I'll be replacing what are called the marker lights or the park lights. Originally in 1946, when you turn the park lights on, these would light up. Now I have a wiring harness, brand new, the authentic wiring harness, and I added something that wasn't part of the original, but the ability to make these also turn signals. So I'll be replacing the old ones with some brand new ones sold at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply. By the way, I want to thank Kaiser Willys. They have been my sponsor for the Jeep project, been a great sponsor, really appreciate that, and for providing these marker lights for me. By the way, you can get 10% off if you make any order, but if you order these park lights as well by using my discount code SGarage10 upon checkout. Now let's open these up. So you can see the amber lens is already on there, which is necessary for turn signals. There are two leads here, and I'm going to show you. The ground is basically what attaches to the grill. That's the ground, and then there are two leads. One is for a turn signal, and the other one is for the park lights. And you have to make sure you get them correct because one shines brighter than the other. If you take the cover off and look at the bulb, there are two filaments. One is thicker and brighter for the turn signal part of it. The other one is thinner, and that's simply for the park lights. I'll show you that here in just a second. But the kit comes with two of them. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do to determine which lead is for the turn signal and which lead is for the park light. Park light is dimmer on the filament, as I said before. So the ground is basically the nut, and there's a star washer that on the grill, that's how it's grounded through the grill. So it's important that your grill is grounded correctly with the proper bolts. I know that this one is. And so I'm going to touch the negative. This is the negative side of the battery, 6-volt battery. And I'm simply going to touch it there and then use this lead. Okay, that's dim. I can tell you right now that is the park light. And then this one should be brighter. Yep, and it is. That's the turn signal. So I've created some labels. And so this one will be the right turn signal. And this one is the park light. I've already loosened the old marker lights. I did try to redo these and make these into the turn signals. It just didn't work out. Sometimes it's better to buy new. But these are, again, made in the USA, and they're sold at Kaiser Willys, a high quality, nice chrome. And so we'll take the old ones out. So you get to these just on the inside here. And the wires run through the bolt itself. And the star, that has to go next to the nut so that it digs into the grill. That comes off too. There we go. Now the star nut, and you have to put the wire then through it, and then likewise through the nut, and we'll tighten it up.
I think it's a 7/16, but I'll double check here.
Nope. Must be 1/2 inch. Okay, so here's the other one. And I tried the 7/16 was too small. The 1/2 inch is actually too big. For whatever reason, this nut is a 12, a metric size. I don't really like that it's metric, but whatever works. Okay, got them installed. Set the hood here, and we'll see if the park lights turn on. I'll do a separate video, by the way, on the turn signals. I have to get everything hooked up with the turn signal switch as well as the brake lights. That'll be a different video. But let's see if the park lights work. All right, voila, there we go. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but it's a great value to me, and we'll see you in the next video.